Motion stills are images that have retained movement in specifically chosen areas. Simple to make and yielding some very clever results. Let's take a look at how you craft motion stills. Open PhotoDirector and select the Create tab. From this tab you can create photo slideshows, animated GIFs, and motion stills. There are two ways to create motion stills. The first method is to simply select a series of photos from your library or drag photos directly into the interface. The second method is to drag and drop a video into PhotoDirector and capture a series of images from the clip. Regardless of whether you're using photos or capturing stills from a video, it's essential that your media was shot from a stationary camera. You'll also want to select content where the section of the image you want to animate is positionally static within the frame. Flowing rivers, waterfalls, cars moving along a road, etc. are often good choices as they feature movement within defined, unmoving boundaries. For this tutorial, we'll use video footage. Drag and drop a video into the interface. From the following prompt, select Create Motion Still. There are two ways to capture the images needed. You can scrub the timeline and click on the camera shake button to capture images manually, or you can simply click on the Auto Capture button and select the number of frames you would like to capture. To keep things simple, let's use the Auto feature, then click on Go to Library and save your new images to a folder of your choice. These photos will also automatically be imported directly into PhotoDirector. All your captured images can now be seen in the Motion Stills interface. Remove any frames you don't need for your motion still and click Next. Now we'll choose which photo will represent the unmoving background. Once you have selected the most ideal background, click Next. Now select the area that will become animated. Simply start painting on the screen, and if you would like to adjust the brush size, use the slider on the left. If you need to erase an area, you can also switch to an eraser as well. Below you can adjust speed. Give your motion still a slow motion look or time-lapse feel by decreasing or increasing the number of frames per second. Finally, we can also add text to the motion still. Click Edit Text and then Add Text for each text box you would like to add. Click on individual text boxes to edit the text. The text color, font and more can also be edited from the display on the left. Once you've finished, click the back button in the top left. Then click Preview to see your results. You can click the back button to go back to the interface and apply any edits as required. When you're satisfied with your results, click Save To and save your motion still as a GIF file.